What's up guys and welcome to Zero to Alpha. तो basically ये course का नाम Zero to Alpha इसलिए है because even if you are at zero right now in the world of trading, it can take you and make you the alpha trader basically. तो you don't need to have to worry about anything after getting this course because इसमें literally zero to advanced तक हर एक चीज़ मैंने explain की है in detail. And basically ये course के बाद you will have a very good idea कि how to start trading and how to look at charts. So even if you are a complete beginner, this is the course for you, and this is why the name Zero to Alpha. So ये वीडियो में I just wanted to give you guys an intro on how this course is going to be. So this course is basically designed from the beginning, from the very beginning, how to read candlesticks to the very advanced level, multiple time frame analysis, intermarket analysis, हर एक चीज़ मैंने cover किया हुआ है with more than 5+ hours of content. And another message for the people who are planning to record this course, download this course, and then sell this course, a pirated version of this course outside on Telegram, on any other marketplace. Look, I don't care if you do that because मेरा 2000-3000 का नुकसान होने से मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाला है, एंड आपका भी कोई महल नहीं खड़ा हो जाएगा ये कंटेंट चुरा के. But the problem is, if you do that, you are not just stealing from me, you are stealing from every employee that I hire, because this revenue just doesn't go to me, it goes to other employees and their families. And on top of that, even if this is selling on Tag Mango, then Tag Mango employees also get paid from the revenue I generate for them. So technically you are stealing from every employee that I hire plus every Tag Mango employee that exists. So if you don't want bad karma for yourself, think about all of this that I just said. So I just hope that you guys have enough humanity to not steal this course and sell a pirated version of it. And for the rest of you guys that are just planning to learn from this, you guys are absolutely in the right place. I'll see you in the course.